Everyone arrives with their own dream. But not every building is a home. Some become your foundation. And here begins the first powerful, I did it. Place where your mind can meet your future success. A place where every step leads into a future built on bold ambition. When the body is in motion, the soul is in balance. A home designed for what comes next. Where the warmth of home meets the spark of a dream. Made with care, for every dream you dare to begin. Beverly, Grande, the home where nothing limits your dreams.